Hey guys, welcome to the Unique Vlogger channel. If you are new in this channel, please support me and to subscribe the channel.
Hey, good morning guys. कैसे हो मेरे भाई? Guys, you are most welcome in this new topic as it is most important topic, so please watch this video at the end. Guys, ये टॉपिक होने वाला है AI के ऊपर, जो कि गाइस बहुत ही तेजी से ग्रो कर रहा है और जो है कई हजारों लोगों की जॉब तो खा चुका है, अब पूरी दुनिया की जॉब खाने वाला है। तो गाइस हम AI से ही बना चैट जीपीटी, उनसे हम पूछते हैं कि किस किस टाइप के जॉब्स हम लूज कर सकते हैं। लाइक एआई के नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव दोनों साइड्स देखने वाले हैं इस वीडियो में, सो प्लीज बी कंटिन्यू।
Searching for how to earn money from AI chatbot. There are several ways to make money from chatbots. You can monetize your chatbot with affiliate marketing, e-commerce, advertising, lead generation, surveys, landing page, and sales funnel processes. You could also sell your chatbot to businesses to reduce customer support overhead. For example, you can include your affiliate links within the conversation of your chatbot. That way, your chatbot will offer resources and links that are useful to your customer based on their responses. You will earn an income if the customer decides to purchase something using your affiliate links. I hope that helps. Searching for, can we lose job because of AI? According to a report from Zipia, worldwide, 1 billion people could lose their jobs over the next 10 years due to AI, and 375 million jobs are at risk of obsolescence from AI automation. However, the impact of AI on jobs in the near future will, most likely, not be significantly more disruptive than the impact of automation has been in the past. The number of jobs created by AI and automation in general will likely outnumber the jobs displaced. I hope that helps. Searching for jobs that can be lost due to AI. According to a report from Business Insider, here are the 10 roles that AI is most likely to replace: coders, software developers, and data analysts, paralegals and legal assistants, market research analysts, teachers, financial analysts, bank tellers and clerks, data entry clerks, customer service representatives.
अबे भाई, अब रह क्या गया? सारे जॉब तो खा लिया, अब मैं ही रह गया हूँ, बस मेरे को भी खा ले। नहीं मतलब खा ले।
Advertising salespeople, content creators, journalists, and technical writers. On the flip side, some jobs are seen as likely to decline quickly because of AI. These are mostly clerical or secretarial roles and include bank tellers and data entry clerks. I hope that helps.
See you soon. Bye.